In today's Canva tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how we can change the colours inside of a photo. So we're going to select a custom size design and we're going to choose 7x5. Using the Canva library, we're going to head up to Elements and to Photos. And from here, we're just going to scroll down till we find a suitable photo that we may like but we want to change the colours of. So I'm going to select this one. This has got nice, bold, vibrant colours on it that we can have a bit of a play about with. So there's the photo as it is, and if we select the photo, we can see up here, this is where it's showing some of the colours that are contained within the photo. If we select one of the colours, we can again see a few more over here. If we select the darker blue colour, which if we look down here, it's saying it's azure, we can select that. It's now got a circle around it, so that means that one is selected, and we can now change the colour. So if we wanted to make that bright pink, we can select bright pink. It does take a few seconds for it to change, and now we can see that any part of the photo that was the azure colour is now bright pink. Again, we can go across and we can select the next colour. It has just changed it back because we've selected it, but don't worry. We can now say, okay, we've got the pastel grey azure colour, so we could make that cobalt blue. Again, it's gone back to the original colour, but that's fine. It will all change in a second. And there we can see that has now again altered the total look of the photo. So we've changed the azure to be pink. We've changed the pastel grey azure to be the dark blue. So if we select the third colour, which is the grey orange, we could choose that to be a salmon colour. And again, that will change the look of our photo even more. And there we can see it's changed it now, and it's made the grey orange colours a more vibrant orange. And that's a really simple way that you can play around and change the colours within a photo. Obviously that's the photo that was inside the Canva library. It does also work with your own photos. So this is a photo I took recently, and as we can see here, we've got two wool Christmas trees, and again it's showing the colours at the top. So if I wanted to change the green Christmas tree, I can make that be a purple tree, and it does work equally as well with your own photos as what it does with the photos that are inside of Canva. And we can do it again. We can change the red one and we can make that one yellow. By making the secondary yellow, it does slightly change the look of the photo. So you do need to play around until you get a desired effect that you are happy with. But that's a really quick way that will allow you to change the colours inside of a photo inside of Canva. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.